Hey, Ruben with Book Cleaning Jobs here. First of all, thanks for trying our CRM. I want to get you set up quickly with it today. Before we get started, if you are looking for an overview of the features inside of the CRM, I would highly recommend that you go back and check out the demo video that's at bookcleaningjobs.com/CRM. This video is also on our YouTube channel, so you can find it there. But if you're looking for a feature overview, I would go watch that video first because I spend a few minutes in that video going over each of the marketing features and the pipeline features and the automation features, including website templates, forms, chatbots, that kind of thing. If you want an overview of those features, go and watch that video, spend 5 or 6 minutes, and it will educate you on those features. Today, what I want to do is get you started as quickly as possible with your CRM. So I'm going to actually log into a CRM account as if I was a new user, and I'm going to show you what you should do to get started quickly. There's a couple of technical steps that you're going to need to complete before you get started. And so that's what I want to cover today. If you're just logging into your CRM for the first time, you should be on this dashboard page. The dashboard is going to give you an overview of what's going on with your business, the leads that you've received, how much money you've been taking in, all of those different things. There's no data inside of this dashboard right now because this is a brand new account. There's nothing to show. But this dashboard is going to be an important place for you in the future. Before we get started with the dashboard, though, what I want you to do is I actually want you to scroll all the way over here to the left and click on Settings. Before you start using the CRM, you're going to need to fill out all of the information on this business profile settings page. So please come in here and upload a logo for your business. The size that's recommended is right here. So you can use Canva or another tool to put your logo in that size. Go ahead and put that logo right here, upload it here, put in your business name. If there's a different legal name for your business, please enter that. Type in your business email address, phone number, and then the website of your business right here. You could put in carpet cleaning service if that's what type of cleaning business you own. If you have a house cleaning business or something else, you might want to choose a different niche. And then you can go through and fill out the rest of this information if you have it. If you have a business ID, like an EIN or something like that, you can put that information in here because it might be helpful for later, but it's not 100% required to get started. The main thing I want you to do is fill in this information right here on the left, your business name, email, phone number, and website. And then over here on the right, I want you to take your address and put it in here. Even if you're working from your house, I want you to put your home address in here because this is going to help populate an address in a couple of different places inside of your marketing system. Don't worry, customers aren't just going to start showing up to your house because you put your address in here, but it's really going to help with your SEO. It's going to help with a bunch of different things. So go ahead and put your address in here. Your time zone should get selected automatically. If it doesn't, go ahead and choose one. And then if you want to change the language, you can feel free right here if you prefer to use a different language you're logging in. After you update this information, make sure you click these update buttons to save it. Once you've done that, the next thing that you should do is head over to the integrations tab. Now, I know this is a little bit technical, but you're getting started with a new piece of software for your business, and I don't want you to feel freaked out about that. This is going to be very simple for you to do. If there are any other tools that you use in your business, like Google Calendar, you can integrate that here in this tab. And by integrate, all I mean is you'll click this button right here that says take me there, or the button that says connect, and you'll log in with the account that you use to manage your Google Calendar. And then your calendar will be connected to the CRM. That's all I need you to do. So if you use Google Calendar, connect that. If you are using Google Ads or Google Analytics, please select those accounts, log in and select those accounts. So you have your ad account and your analytics account attached here. If you don't have an ad account or an analytics account, you can skip that. If you're using local services ads, if you're Google guaranteed and you want to connect the CRM's calendar to your LSA account so people can actually just book an appointment with you from Google local services ads right onto your calendar in the CRM, you can use this right here. And if you have a Google business profile, you can connect that by clicking here, signing into the email address that manages your Google business profile, and then you can select the profile that you want to connect. The next thing you might want to do is connect your Facebook and your Instagram pages. I find that to be really helpful. And if you use QuickBooks, you could connect those as well. There's a few other integrations like TikTok and LinkedIn or Slack. If you want to use any of those, even WhatsApp, feel free to go through and connect all those. The main ones I want you to do, though, are any of the Google accounts, especially this Google business profile, and then Facebook and Instagram, because those are ones that a lot of cleaning business owners are using. So I think it'd be worthwhile to just go ahead and connect them right now. And once you have those integrations set up, there's just one or two more technical steps that you need to complete in order to make full use of the CRM. By the way, If you have trouble with these steps, if you are not tech savvy, if you don't feel comfortable logging into GoDaddy or wherever you have your website domain hosted, if you don't feel comfortable setting up DNS records, which I know is techie, we can absolutely help you with this. We offer a one-time setup service. So you pay us one time and we will come in and we'll set up all of these connections for you. We'll do the domain setup. We'll do the DNS records. We'll set up your email records. We'll make sure everything's working for you and then hand it off to you for a one-time fee. Reach out and let us know if that's something you're interested in. Otherwise, you can feel free to knock it out yourself. There are tutorials on our YouTube channel. There are also tutorials. If I go back out here and scroll down, you'll see CRM tutorials on the left here. Click on that and it will bring you to a list of tutorials to help you go through some of these technical steps. All right. So like I said, we're going to connect a domain now. And if you don't have a domain for your business already, that's okay. You can go buy one. A domain is literally like the address of your website. So if your company was ABC Carpet Cleaning, you might have abccarpetcleaning.com would be your website domain. You're going to take that domain wherever you have it, GoDaddy, Namecheap, wherever you've purchased this domain, Squarespace, and we're going to connect it to your CRM. The way that you're going to connect it is by clicking this button right here. You'll go into the domains tab. You'll click connect a domain. And we're going to connect the domain to the funnel or website section of the CRM. Now, if you have an existing website and you don't want to get rid of your website, you just want to use the other features of this domain, then skip this step. You don't need to connect a domain here for a funnel or a website. If you already have a website and you're happy with it and you don't want to build a new one inside of the CRM, then skip this step. If you don't have a website, absolutely connect a domain, go buy a domain. They're like $10, $15 from GoDaddy and connect it here because this is going to allow you to use our funnel builder or our website builder to automatically create a website for your cleaning business. And we spend a lot of time working on these website templates to make sure that they're great, that they're high converting templates that will bring you leads. If you send paid traffic to these templates, they're going to work a lot better probably than the site that you're using for your business right now. So if you want a new site through the CRM, come in here, connect a domain, and under this funnel website section, hit connect. You're going to type in the domain that you have, and maybe it's abccarpetcleaning.com. We'll just pretend that's what it is. You hit continue, and then you're going to hit continue again. You're going to wait while it sets up your domain. And in some cases, like if you have GoDaddy, you might be able to just click a button to automatically authorize the CRM to set up the domain for you. If you don't see the option to automatically authorize and set it up, then what you're going to do is you're going to take these records right here, this A record and this CNAME record, and you're going to go copy and paste them over into your DNS settings wherever you registered your domain. So if that's GoDaddy, you'll go into GoDaddy, you'll log into your domain. There'll be a section called DNS settings, and you'll change your A record to this value right here. And you'll change your CNAME. You'll either change or create a CNAME record for www, and you'll point it to this value right here. And once you do that, you can hit verify records and boom, you've got a domain pointed at your CRM and you'll be able to publish your website. Now, again, this is technical. If you don't feel comfortable purchasing a domain, modifying your DNS settings on your domain, if all that stuff sounds really scary, we can do it for you. There's a one-time charge for us to set this up and get it going for you. Just let us know and we can set it up for you. And again, there's also helpful tutorials. You can click this link right here and watch a video on how to do it, or you can actually click the tutorials link right here and get other tutorials. All right. Next thing I want you to do, and this is the last thing, we're going to go back to domains and we need to connect a domain so that you can actually send emails from the CRM and the emails will come from your company. So if your domain is, or your website is abccarpetcleaning.com, your emails will come from abccarpetcleaning.com. They'll look very professional. Your customers will think that all of these emails are being sent out of a fancy professional system because it is. You'll have a real system in your business. So setting up an email domain is just as easy as setting up a domain for your funnel or website. It's just a little bit different. You're going to click this connect button right here. And then instead of typing in your actual website domain, like abccarpetcleaning.com, instead, you're going to put a subdomain, something at the beginning of it. You can see right here, it says lc.mydomain.com. That's perfect. You can do that. You can say lc.abccarpetcleaning.com. I would just do that. You don't have to get fancy. Don't come up with your own. lc. whatever your website domain is.com is perfect. That's what you can use for the emails. your customers aren't even really going to see this. They're actually going to see that it's coming from abccarpetcleaning.com. So type that in, type in your domain. You're going to click add and verify. And just like hooking a domain up to the website and funnel builder, this is going to go and search to see if it can automatically set it up for you. If you use GoDaddy or somebody like that, you might be able to click authorize and automatically add all these records. If you can't automatically do it, then you're just going to have to go into the DNS settings again at GoDaddy or wherever you've registered your website domain, and you're going to enter each one of these records in. There's 2 TXT records, there's 1 CNAME record, and there are 2 MX records. You can watch this help video right here. It'll guide you through it, but you're going to copy and paste each of these values, the host and the required value, and enter them in one by one. So this TXT value, I would copy this host and then this required value and go enter that TXT value into my DNS settings, and then do the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one, and then hit verify. And once you hit verify, if you put the records in correctly, everything should light up green and your email sending domain is all set up. Again, this is technical. If you have trouble doing this, if you don't feel comfortable doing it, let us know. We can do it for you. Really simple one-time fee, and then you're good to go to keep using the CRM after that. You won't need to pay us to set it up for you again once it's done. So that's pretty much all I want to walk you through today. There are a ton of advanced features in here. Obviously, you can do things like register phone numbers, which I think you should do if you are interested in tracking the phone calls that are coming into your business, recording the conversations that you're having, and then tracking those leads to see how many calls you're actually booking into a job. That would be a great number to know. This month I got 50 phone calls and 25 of them turned into a booked job. So I have a 50% booking rate. If you come in here and register a phone number, you can have everyone call that phone number instead of your cell phone. You could come and create a new business line in here and use the business phone, use this phone number as your business phone, and then track everything that's coming through your business. You can also send text messages using that phone number. You can automate the text messages coming from that phone number. There's so many things you can do inside of this CRM. Having a system like this in your business is really going to open you up to be able to do a lot more marketing, to be able to stay in touch with your customers. Everything's going to be in one place. It's going to be so much easier for you. So come and register a phone number if you're interested in using a phone number. The other thing I would mention is that if you're going to use the CRM, you might already be using another tool in your business like House Call Pro, Jobber, ServiceMate, or Company Cam, or one of these other tools. You might not be. You can run your entire cleaning business just on this CRM. You can take payments, you can schedule people with the calendar, you can handle conversations, make phone calls. You can do all that stuff. You can also have your website set up. And by the way, if you've set up your domain and you want to use one of the funnels, there's templates in here. Come and pick your favorite template. Let's say you like this one right here. Come and pick this template, go to settings, click your domain, select the domain, and hit save, and boom, you got a website. It should automatically pull in all your business information from that other tab we filled in earlier. It should pull in your logo, it should pull in your address, phone number, all that stuff, pop it into this website template, and boom, you got a new website. Easy as that. So go do that for sure. Then there's all kinds of other tools you can use inside of here. You could, like I said, run your entire business with it. But if you're using another tool, let's say you're using House Call Pro for your business already, and you've signed up for this CRM, for our CRM, because you want to have more tools available in your business. You want more systems and more flexibility. You can connect House Call Pro to this CRM and share data so that if you enter a customer into this CRM, it'll get sent over to House Call Pro. If you enter a customer in House Call Pro, it'll get sent over to this CRM. It'll share the data. That's really useful because you can connect the two systems and have them both work together seamlessly. You will have to upgrade your House Call Pro in order to use this feature. So House Call might charge you a little bit more, just something to be aware of. There's another way to do it with Zapier, but that's technical. You can also hook up Jobber. You can also hook up ServiceMate, which is a great CRM if you haven't checked them out. And if you're using Company Cam for your cleaning business, you can connect Company Cam as well. So if you're using any one of those tools, you might want to go through and hook it up here, connect it using one of these tabs. But after that, the world is your oyster. You'll have access to all of our site templates. You'll have access to some automation templates. You can monitor reputation, send out review requests, send out text message campaigns, email campaigns. You can do all kinds of stuff in the CRM. If you have any questions at all, reach out to us, support@BookCleaningJobs.com. And if you need help with that one-time setup, we'd be happy to do it for you. Even if you've signed up and you've been using the CRM for a little while and you're realizing that you'd like to have somebody set it up for you now so you can actually get more use out of it, just reach out and we'll do the one-time setup for you. All right. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the CRM.